Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Birchbox unboxing. This is going to be my second unboxing. It's actually my third, but because I had a free box with my first unboxing, I just said it was one, and now this is my second, and it's the May box. And it was just like a few days ago that I did my first unboxing for the April box. So I was like, wow, I've got another box already. So I was like, okay, let me just do an unboxing for you, because you know people are going to be doing theirs as well to show you guys what's inside. So I thought, why not show you what's inside mine. And this is the packaging this month. It is so gorgeous. I am in love with all the boxes already. I've got 3 boxes now and they are all very cute. So it's like this green palm tree, palm leaf. It's like tropical themed, and it's got this nice kind of light pink or peachy color, I would say. I don't know. But this is the whole box. It's gorgeous. I love it. I think I'm going to be collecting them and putting things inside these because they're so cute and little, and they're just, you know, they can go anywhere and they can store anything, you know. So let's open the box, and as usual I'm going to take the paper out. And these boxes are £10 and £2.95 packaging, so that's £12.95 a month. If you want it there's discount if you want it every 6 months for 6 months, or if you rather just pay every month, you know, it's normally £10. So on the paper today it says palm leaves and warm breeze, May 2018. So that's what that looks like. It's a nice similar packaging to the box, similar design to the box. And inside it tells you what's in the box. So we have 6 products, actually 5. Why am I saying 6? It's because it's all a little picture at the front. So we have 5 products as usual, and it tells you what's coming in the sneak peek in the June box, which is going to be in eyeshadow, and it also gives you a contest if you want to win £250. So yeah, that's that. So we're gonna get into what's inside this box. I didn't want to ramble on too long. So first off, I see this here, and this is by Green Frog Botanic, and it is a natural body wash, relaxing geranium and peppermint. Sounds very good. Sounds very refreshing, and it is plant-based using organic sea berries sourced from the Himalayas, and it's got also aloe vera. And it is won a Beauty Shortlist Award for 2017. So yeah, this is how cute the packaging is. Just a simple little, as this might be a, you know, tester, not test. I keep saying they're tester size. They're not tester size, sample size. It tells you how to use it. It is vegan, cruelty free. It's free from palm oil and parabens, and it is dermatologically tested. So yeah, I can't wait to try that. It's probably safe even to use on my kids' skin, but this is just for me to pamper myself. I'll definitely try this body wash. Yeah, so that's that one, and that is normally regular retail price is $8.95, and it says here it is not just the brand name that's green. Its organic formula is cruelty-free, vegan, and completely free from chemical nasties. Brimming with moisturizing aloe vera and Spanish rich sea berries, this gentle wash cleanses your skin while maintaining pH levels, which is very good, and it is great for sensitive skin, eczema, and psoriasis. Oh yes, definitely gonna try that one out. Even though I haven't got all of those things, I'm in love with body washes and anything that smells nice. So let's have a smell of this hair. Ooh, it's not too strong of a peppermint, but it is very fresh and it smells very organic, for real. So I definitely can't wait to try this one. Alright, so next we're going to get into this little thing I see here peeking at me, and it is the Native on Earth Activated Charcoal Natural Deodorant Balm. Okay, I think I've seen something like this. I had something like this from the Body Shop, from Lush, and it's just like something you could put under your armpits, I think. So this is what it looks like, and it says the ingredients are paraben and aluminum free, which is very important. And It says to rub a pea-sized amount between fingers and apply. So this is just 15 grams. Let's open it and see what it looks like. It was a bit loose. I don't know why it was loose. Oh, there's barely anything in here. If you can see, barely anything. It's almost at the bottom really. It's like less than half. Maybe this is definitely a test size. It smells very charcoaly and natural as well. Yeah, so definitely I'm going to try that out because I like to get in the, you know, the natural deodorant thing. I tried one last year from Lush and it was very good. And it's like a powder form. So I've never tried one that's like a paste. So let's see how much that was. And it says normal price is $7.99 and it's 4-star on birchbox.co.uk. And it says, who said you need to rely on harsh chemicals to keep unwanted odors at bay? And this is all natural cream, and it says it helps to absorb sweat. It's got arrowroot in there, so yeah, arrowroot is very good. Antibacterial, and it's got coconut oil, soothing shea butter, and it smooths. Okay, so just smooth a pea-sized amount onto your clean underarms to form a invisible shield. Wow, simple. I'm definitely going to try that. I am very intrigued to try this one out. Alright, so next we're going to get into this, and it says Marcel New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. Paraben-free, fragrance-free, and hyperallergenic. It says anti-age serum, so I definitely need that. I'm 34. I'm not looking old, but you know, I need to start doing something now. And it says apply morning and night alone or under makeup. Also, that's good, so you can wear it under your makeup. And it says here it's made in Canada, but it is from France. So yeah, this is what it looks like. A little tiny packaging, and this is just 7 milliliters. So we're gonna read what this is about. I just dropped the paper on the floor as usual. So it says here that Marcel New Age Power Serum is lightweight gel that boasts a magnitude of skincare benefits in one hand tube. It's a great prep step for your makeup. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Wow. It firms and lifts the skin and creates a smooth, radiant complexion. Bonus, it does all this without parabens, gluten, and added fragrance. So I'm here for that. Helps wrinkles, helps reduce all of that, and you can wear it under makeup. And at night when I like to take this all off and just let my skin breathe, I'm definitely going to use that tonight. And I also got another one from the other box that, you know, I want to try and incorporate as well, so my skin will be popping soon. So I definitely give you guys an update on my skin with these products that I'm going to be using. The regular price for that, I didn't check, is £27. Wow, so it definitely probably works, so we'll see if that works. Next we see something like in makeup. So finally we have some makeup, and it's from Ico London. I love this stuff. And this is a smudge proof precise liquid eyeliner. I've been wanting one. Thank you so much, Birchbox. I just ran out of one from NYX. I like the NYX work, the hype, and I know that Ico do very, very well eyeliners and mascaras and stuff. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a nice thick kind of brush. Let's do a, ooh, yes, I like my my wing line a bit thick sometimes, but then it gives that nice thin end. Oh, this is gonna be definitely a good one. I can't wait to try it. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas when I get these boxes. And I like my Degusta box, and I don't do much of my Degusta box anymore because I've been eating them once I get it. It's crazy. I can't come in review of a box that's already half opened, you know. But Next we see this, and I'm gonna give you the price for the eye code, but because I see this, I just like, wow, let me just get into it. I think I saw this on a preview for the next month, and I didn't get a chance to choose, so I guess they chose for me. But this is the color that I got. Is from the brand called Duce, and I got the color Steaming Red. It doesn't look like red. It looks like a mauve peach nudie kind of color to me. So let's swatch this beauty right here. Ooh, it's got a nice brush as well, but it's so tiny and cute. Ooh, very sweet. Very sweet. I don't, if you don't like fragrance stuff, then you know, it's very sweet, but I really like, I don't mind. Ooh, wow. I love this color. Look at that, guys. It's so creamy. Let's close this. This is going to be my everyday, just drop in my bag. It's so cute. Look at the color. Wow, it is a nice, rich color. It is a very creamy, so we will see if it dries down really drying. I don't like stuff that's drying on my lips and start cracking and stuff. Okay, so the ICO is normally £16 and it is also rated 4-star on Birchbox.co.uk website, and it says it's great for a perfect wing eyeliner, whether you're a newbie or a pro. And it says this easy to use pen style applicator will have you lining and defining your eyes in a flash. Use the tip to draw a few dots as close to your upper lashes as possible, then simply connect the dots for a goof-proof line. The fade resistant formula will last all day and night. Wow, so it's going to be definitely hard to get off. We'll see when I do try and take this off my hands. They're already drying, which is very good. And the lip stain by Duce is £21 for regular price. And it says here, wave goodbye to lipstick touch-ups. This pigmented liquid formula applies matte, dries fast, so it won't transfer onto anything. It lasts for hours, even better. Unlike other matte lip products, this lasting formula glides on smoothly for a comfortable all-day wear. Wow. I'm really happy. I'm so happy actually. I've never tried this brand, and the weight just went on, and oh my gosh, it's dried already. Let me show you. So that, as I said, was normally £21. We got quite a few expensive stuff in this box. Just that, you know, we didn't get any full size stuff in there, so I do not mind, because the regular prices for these, if we do get a full size, they're quite expensive. But you know, that's the way it is. I'm so happy I got to try out all these stuff, and I'm very excited about this box, the May box. It's a gorgeous box. Thank you so much, Birchbox, for sending me these boxes. I did purchase them, guys. It's nothing sponsored or anything, but you know, I just like the fact that they do these kind of things, and you know, we get to try out new brands that we don't really normally see in store and stuff like that. So this is how it dries down, guys. It's actually dry. It's not moving. It's not really that dry, but it, you know, it's only a few minutes since it's been there, maybe a minute or so. This is a bit wet, so I won't touch that, but I'm really excited. I will definitely be going to be doing a look with all these stuff that I've received. I received the eyeliner in the other box. Now I received the eyeliner and a lipstick. I'm going to get a full face soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoy these videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also comment down below what other stuff you'd like me to do. Comment down below if you like this box. And also subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.